If you have finished your AutoCAD drawing and don't know how to convert it into a PDF, this tutorial is for you. As you can see, I have a drawing here along with its template. Now let's convert this drawing into a PDF. You can use the plot command by clicking on the printer icon here or simply press Ctrl plus P on your keyboard. Once you do that, the plot dialog box will appear. In the name field, select None, and under Printer Plotter, you have to select Drawing to PDF. Here it is. On the right side, make sure all four of these options are enabled. Then check Fit to Paper and Center the Plot. Make sure these two options are enabled too. Next, choose a page orientation, portrait, or landscape as per your requirement. And then in paper size, you have to select ISO full bleed A4, or you can go for A3 if you want to. Let me just find it. Here it is. In what to plot section, you have to select window. Now AutoCAD will ask you to select two diagonal corners. Let me select it. And now you can check the preview by clicking on here. As you can see, the preview has been generated. Now let's escape this by pressing escape key. And now if I select portrait here and click preview, as you can see, the page has turned into a portrait mode. Now I don't want it, so let's select landscape. And if you want to save this, press OK. Now you have to select the location and the name. Let me just put a random name here, drawing to PDF or something else. Now press save. It will take few seconds and the PDF has been generated on your screen. That's it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Mac this. Thank you.